Hello everybody, it's your man, MKBHD, and it's finally here. Samsung has done it again, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be with their latest flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This isn't just another iterative upgrade, it's a statement of Samsung's commitment to innovation and a promise to deliver an unparalleled user experience. The anticipation for this device has been through the roof, and today, we're diving headfirst into the world of the S25 Ultra. We're going to unbox this beast, explore its features, and share some initial impressions of what might just be the most powerful smartphone on the planet. Now let's get our hands dirty. Cracking open this sleek packaging, we're greeted by a device that exudes premium quality from the moment you lay eyes on it. The S25 Ultra is a symphony of glass and metal, meticulously crafted to impress. But it's not just about looks. Samsung has clearly focused on refining the user experience with this iteration. The phone feels incredibly comfortable in hand thanks to its smoother edges, and a noticeable reduction in weight compared to its predecessor. It's a testament to Samsung's dedication to ergonomics, ensuring that this powerhouse device can be comfortably wielded for hours on end. First things first, let's talk about the design. The S25 Ultra is a sleek and sophisticated piece of tech. It's incredibly thin and light, making it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Samsung has refined the design language, opting for subtle curves and a more streamlined aesthetic. The bezels around the display are practically non-existent, giving you an almost all-screen experience. This is a phone that's designed to turn heads, and it does so effortlessly. The back panel, made of Gorilla Glass Victus 7, boasts a stunning shimmer that catches the light beautifully. But it's not all about aesthetics. This glass is not just for show, it's tougher than ever, promising better scratch resistance and durability. The camera module, while still prominent, has been seamlessly integrated into the design, giving the phone a cohesive and polished look. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the display. The S25 Ultra boasts a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display that's simply breathtaking. The colors are vivid and vibrant, the blacks are deep and inky, and the sharpness is off the charts. It's an absolute joy to consume content on this display. But it's not just about the size and the resolution. Samsung has also upped the refresh rate to a buttery smooth 120 Hz. This means that every scroll, every animation, every interaction with the phone feels incredibly fluid and responsive. Whether you're scrolling through social media, playing graphically intensive games, or simply navigating the UI, the 120 Hz refresh rate elevates the entire user experience to a whole new level of smoothness and responsiveness. You really notice the difference when you're scrolling through web pages or playing fast-action games. Section 4, Capturing Reality, the 200MP camera system. Let's move on to the camera system because that's where the S25 Ultra really flexes its muscles. This year, Samsung has gone all out with a massive 200-megapixel wide-angle sensor. That's not a typo, folks, 200 megapixels. And it's not just about megapixels, this sensor is paired with some seriously impressive hardware and software processing. The results are nothing short of phenomenal. Photos are incredibly detailed, with excellent dynamic range and color accuracy. But that's not all. The S25 Ultra also packs a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, and another 10-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with a mind-blowing 10 times optical zoom. This versatile camera system empowers you to capture stunning shots from any distance, from expansive landscapes to far-off subjects, all with exceptional clarity and detail. Section 5. Unboxing Experience. What's in the box? Now for the unboxing experience. As you lift the lid of the exquisitely designed box, you're greeted by the S25 Ultra itself, nestled snugly in its compartment. Lifting the phone reveals the other treasures that await. You'll find a USB-C to USB-C cable for lightning-fast charging and data transfer, ensuring you can quickly power up your device and move files with ease. A SIM ejection tool, meticulously crafted to seamlessly release the SIM tray, reflects Samsung's attention to even the smallest details. And of course, no unboxing experience is complete without the accompanying documentation. This includes a quick start guide to get you up and running in a flash, a warranty booklet for peace of mind, and information leaflets detailing the phone's features and safety precautions. Samsung has ensured that you have all the necessary information at your fingertips. Section 6, Initial Impressions, a glimpse into the future. My initial impressions? This phone is an absolute beast. From the stunning design to the gorgeous display and the powerful camera, the S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the best smartphones I've ever used. It's fast, it's fluid, and it's packed with features that push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. The S25 Ultra feels incredibly snappy and responsive, thanks to the latest Snapdragon processor under the hood, and the new software features Samsung has introduced are both innovative and genuinely useful. This phone is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, and it's clear that they've poured their heart and soul into making this the ultimate Android flagship. Section 7. Final thoughts. Setting a new standard. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is more than just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a statement of what's possible when innovation meets ambition. It's a device that doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. From the moment you pick it up, you can feel the premium craftsmanship, the attention to detail, and the sheer power that this device possesses. It's a phone that's designed for those who demand the absolute best, those who refuse to settle for anything less than extraordinary. If you're in the market for a new smartphone and only the best will do, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra deserves a spot on your shortlist. It's a phone that has the potential to redefine what a smartphone can be.